Hello students, today we are going to learn about mean, median and mode, a very important topic in the board exams of IGCSE, where every paper 2, paper 4, both the papers have these kind of questions. So let us start with mean. What is mean? Mean is nothing but also called as average. Simple, like in your exams, if you want to find the average, how you find out? In the same manner, mean and average is the same. Now there are three types of questions which come from mean. We are going to understand one by one. So the first type is numbers will be given like this. Random numbers will be given and we'll be asked to find out the mean. Now what is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observation. Sum of observation means total. 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 12 upon how many numbers we added. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So always the numerator will be the addition of all these numbers upon how many numbers we added. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write 6 in the denominator, and when we add we get this as 36 upon 6 is equal to 6. So we get the answer as 6. This is the first type. How we identify whether this is the first type or second type or the third type? First type will always have random questions with comma. You'll be given individual information without table. Other two types are with tables, so you can easily recognize them. So please remember the first type. Now we'll be learning about the second type. Let us check the second type. Now in second type of questions, you will always be given table. Now why the second type is different from the first type? Because students, here always the observations are more. So instead of writing one by one, we make a group table. This is called as a table in which we have grouped the things and we have that is why this is the second type. This is the second type for mean. First type was numbers given. So here what happened? They have taken randomly few families and they have checked how many number of kids are there in a family. So those students whose age is 5, the frequency is 4. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of kids. So the number of kids whose age is 5 is 4. Number of kids whose age is 4 is 2. Number of kids whose age is 6 is 8. And number of kids whose age is 10 is 2. They are asking find the mean. So if there are 4 kids whose age is 5, so if I add their ages 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 5 into 4, I get 20. So what we do in the second type? Multiply these both information. 5 into 4 plus 4 into 2 plus 6 into 8 plus 10 into 2. This gives me 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 6 8s are 48, 10 2s are 20 plus denominator is what? Number of observation, which I have already given you the formula in the first part. 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 10, 16. So I add 20 plus 40, 60 plus 20, 80. 80 plus 16 gives me 96. 96 upon 16 gives me 6. So here in this case, the mean is 6. So whenever you have table form, and you have to find mean, multiply 5 4s are plus 4 2s are plus. Why we add? Because here how many students were there? 16 students were there. So if I write the age 5 comma 5 comma 5 comma 5 comma 4 comma 4 then comma 6 8 times then 10 2 times, it becomes a very lengthy sum. That's the reason the same information has been put in the table. So here also mean remains the same. Sum of observation. So 4 students age 5, their age is 20 plus 2 students whose age is 4, so 8, and that is how it goes about. This is the second type. Please remember my kids.